Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz Khan and today we are back with another thrilling recipe. We will be making a very interesting, a very special potato recipe. We will be making a cheesy potato finger or a cheesy potato croquette. So let's learn how we can make this interesting recipe in just a few easy steps. Let's go and let's learn. I have boiled one potato with a little salt in water, and with the lid on. It takes around 5 to 7 minutes for a potato to get nice boiled. So we have boiled it like hard boiled. We don't want it to become very mashy because it will become very greasy then. So hard boiled potatoes, we have to roughly mash the potatoes first. Then we will be adding all the toppings. We will add around 1 heaped tablespoon of processed cheese, 1 heaped tablespoon of mozzarella cheese in there, and we'll sort of muddle everything potato and cheese together. We'll add 1 heaped tablespoon of corn flour, salt to taste. Make sure to taste before. We'll add black pepper powder, oregano, chili flakes, and that's it. Our dough of this potato is ready, and we'll just mix it together and form into nice soft dough. We'll roll it out on the surface. We'll make smaller portion and roll with both your hands like this. You can apply little bit of oil on the surface to make it roll properly. With the help of finger, even it out, and with the help of a very sharp small knife, we will be cutting it into fingers, like finger size potato croquettes. Like this, smooth cutting is required. Be very patient and gentle. Then with the help of fingers, we will even it out and give it a nice cylindrical finger shape. Roll it properly and keep them aside. In a plate, we'll take corn flour. We'll dust it slightly with corn flour, all our croquettes or fingers. Then we will refrigerate it for around 1.5 to 2 hours, and you can refrigerate it overnight, and whenever you want you can deep fry them in hot oil. We will start deep frying them. One very extremely important point, that you once you put this in the hot oil, do not start touching with the spoon. Only after some time you have to start touching with the spoon, because you have to allow them to cook. See, if I would have touched with the spoon earlier, it will get damaged and it will open and it will spoil all the oil. So you have to be little patient, and slowly when it is all done and it is starting to get golden crispy brown, that is the time you keep splashing oil and turning slowly. So that way you will not damage your croquettes, and it will cook evenly from all the sides. So it will take around 3 to 4 minutes for them to get deep fried. Hardly 3 minutes, yes. And it will be nicely done. We'll take it out on the plate and we will serve it with a nice tartar sauce. You chop gherkins and pickled carrot, put them in mayonnaise and shake. Just a little taste and amazing. Thank you. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.